We've built our mouse trap, so now it's time to bait it, catch a mouse, and relocate that mouse to a new home. So now it is time to bait our trap, and my favorite bait to use for mice is good old-fashioned peanut butter. So this is a bit of tricky business here. You want to spread that peanut butter out very evenly in the middle of the dowel so that the dowel will spin very freely. We then place our mouse trap where we have our mouse traffic, and we wait. You don't need to wait long for these traps. They work very well. Here we've got our first mouse. It's not an adult mouse, but it's not a baby either, probably more of a teenager. He's been in there overnight, so I'm giving him some seeds to eat, and I'm going to remove that dowel and get our mouse a little water, because overnight for a mouse would be kind of like a week for you and me. So this mouse was probably really thirsty and really hungry. Something I really love about this mousetrap is not only is it a live mousetrap and a repeater mousetrap, but it's really easy to transport. Now it's time to bring our mouse to his new home. So after a nice little drive in the country, we arrive at a conservation area. Not a conservation area for mice in particular, but I think it's a good place for our little mouse. Look at him jump there. He must have jumped at least 10 times his body length. And here is his new home. I think it's a wonderful place for a mouse. I hope he does well here. And I thank you for watching.